Finally, here's exactly what you should be putting in your VW engine. Let me give you the definitive list of VW-approved oils that I trust and recommend. Tier 1. Best options: Liqui Moly High-Tech 5W40, VW 502.00 over 505.00 approved. This is my personal top choice. German-made, specifically formulated for European engines, excellent thermal stability, and proven track record in high-mileage VWs. Castrol Edge, Professional 5W30, VW 504.00/507.00 approved. OEM fill for many VW engines. If it's good enough for the factory, it's good enough for ongoing maintenance. Mobil 1 ESP Formula 5W-30, VW 504.00/507.00 approved. Note, this is specifically the ESP formula, not standard Mobil 1. Widely available and excellent protection. Tier 2. Solid alternatives: Pennzoil Platinum Euro 5, W30 or 5W40, VW 502.00/505.00 approved. Relatively new to the VW approved market, but meeting all requirements. Good price point. Ravenel Vi SE 5W40, VW 502.00/505.00 approved. German oil that's gaining popularity among VW enthusiasts. Excellent cold weather performance. Model 8100 XS5W40, VW 502.00/505.00 approved. Premium option, popular in performance applications. Expensive but outstanding protection. For TDI diesel engines, Castrol Edge, Professional Diesel 5W30, VW 507.00 approved. Liqui Moly Top-Tech 42005, W30, VW 507.00 approved. Shell Rotella Gas Truck 5W30, VW 504.00/507.00 approved. How to verify approval: always check the back label of the bottle. Look for explicit text stating meets VW 502.00 or VW 504.00 approved, or similar language. If it just says suitable for or recommended for, that's not the same as approved. Manufacturer approval means it's passed VW's testing protocols.